Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to multiply 2-digit number and 3-digit number with triple one, 1 and 1. So let's start. So first I'm taking a 3-digit number. Suppose I'm taking 1, 2, 3 and I'm going to multiply it with 1, 1, 1. So how to do that? First digit as it is, last as it is. Okay, now here you can see here the 3 ones are there, so we can make a pair of maximum 3 digit. Okay, आपको maximum जो है वो 3 digit का pair आप बना सकते हो. उसके बाद you can move to 2, 1. Okay, and maximum it will be 3, not more than that. So see how we can do that. So first we will take 1 plus 2. I'll write it here. 1 plus 2 is 3. In between, now there will be 3 digits. Okay, now make a pair of 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1 is 6. Now देखो 1 का single pair भी हो गया, only 1 digit. Second with 2 digit pair भी हो गया इसका और 3 digit pair भी हो गया इसका. Now 1 को cross करते हैं, move to 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so this is our answer. See one more example how to do that. Now I am taking a number 116 multiply by 111. Okay, how to do it? Keep 1 at your 10,000s place, 6 at your unit place. In between we will have 3 digits. We have to make the pair now. First we will make a pair of 2 numbers, 1 plus 1. So it is 2. अभी 2 डिजिट्स का पेयर हुआ है, मैक्सिमम हम 3 का बना सकते हैं. तो I'll take one number more. 1 plus 1 plus 6. So 6 and 2 is 8. Now अब इस 1 के साथ तीनों पेयर बन चुके हैं, 1 का भी, 2 का भी और 3 का भी. सो हम इसको लेफ्ट कर देंगे. Now we will move to the next number digit. So it is 1 and 6. It is 7. Okay, let's try with another number. 2, 3, 1. Now keep 2 here, keep 1 here. 2 plus 3, पहले 2 डिजिट्स का पेयर बनाएंगे 5 और फिर 3 डिजिट का. 2 plus 3, 5 and 1, 6. Now 2 के सारे पेयर हो गए, 1 का भी हो गया, 2 का भी हो गया, 3 का भी हो गया. Now हम इस 2 को रिमूव कर देंगे and move to the 3. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. क्योंकि इसके आगे और कोई डिजिट ही नहीं है, so we can't make a pair of 3 now. इस 1 के आगे और कोई डिजिट ही नहीं है, तो हम 3 का तो 3 वाला पेयर बना ही नहीं सकते हैं. तो हम 3 के लिए सिर्फ 2 वाला पेयर बनाएंगे. एंड दिस इज आवर आंसर 2, 5, 6, 4, 1. लेट्स ट्राई विद अनदर एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स टेक अनदर नंबर. सपोज दिस टाइम आई एम टेकिंग 5, 3, 1. So I have to multiply it with triple 1. Write 5 here and 1 here. In between I am having 3 digits now. So first it will be 5 single digit हो गई. Now make a pair of 2. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Now make a pair of 3. 5, 3, 1. 5 is 3, 8 and 1, 9. Now 5 के तीनों combination हो गए. 3 वाला भी, 2 वाला भी और 1 वाला भी. Now leave 5. Next move to the 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is my answer. Let me try with another number. 4, 3. In between I am having 3 digits. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is my answer. You can check with the calculator and you can try it yourself also. All these examples are without carry. So first we will do that and then we will try with carries also. So one last example I am taking here is 2, 5, 1. Okay, so this is the last one. This is without carry, and now after this we will do with carries also. Now this 1, 2 and 3. So 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Maximum we can take 3 digits. Now I'll move to 2. So 5 plus 1 is 6. See, first we will increase the digit. First I am taking single, then I'll take 2, then I'll take 3. And if there is no more digits, then we will move to again 2 and 1. So this is the logic. You first have to increase the numbers and then you have to decrease. And maximum pair you can make is of 3 digits. Now let's try with carries. How we can try with the carries. So let's take an example, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 7 as it is, 5 as it is. In between I am having 3 more digits. 7 plus 6, 13. 7 plus 6 plus 5, 13 plus 5 is 18. So leave this 7 now. 6 plus 5 is 11. Now do the sum. 5. अब इस 11 में से हम 1 रखेंगे and 1 we will move forward. 18 plus 1 is 9 and 18 plus 1 19. We will keep 9 here and we'll move 1 forward. 13 plus 1 14. We'll keep 4 here and move 1 forward. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is my answer. You can try here also. 765 into 111. So 765, 765 and 765. See, 7 7 14, 9 14, and this is my answer. Same. Okay, let's try with another number, with another example. Suppose 5 4 3. Now 5 as it is, 3 as it is. How to do this? In between I'll have 3 numbers. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. And now leave 5, take 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Now this is 3, 7. Out of these 12, keep 2 here and 1 move forward. So 9 plus 1 is 10 and 1 will go here and this will be my answer. So in this way you can simply multiply the 3 digits number with 111. Let's try the maximum number, that is 999. So keep 9 here and keep 9 here. In between 3. 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 18 plus 9, 27. And again now cancel this 9. Only 2 9s will left. 9 plus 9 is 18. So now the sum, 9 out of 18, 8 will write here and 1 move forward. 27 plus 1, 28. 8 I am writing here and 2 I am moving forward. 18 plus 2, 20. So 0 will be here and move 2 forward. 9 plus 2 is 11. You can check with the calculator. This is my answer. I hope it's making sense or you are understanding this, how we can do this multiplication. Now the 2 digits number with 111. This is the 3 digit number with 111 and now we are doing it 2 digit number with 111. So how to do that? Suppose I want to multiply 45 with 111. Okay. Here we have to do some, we have to apply some method or a trick you can say. हमें इस 2 digits को 3 में convert करना है. Okay, how? By putting 0. Okay, and 0 जब भी आप लगाते हो हमेशा starting में लगाते हो because in end it will make a big change in the number and in front it doesn't make any difference to the number. So हम 0 लगा के इसको 3 digits में बना लेंगे. Now this is my 3 digit number. Now again do the same method. Write 0 as it is, 5 as it is. Now the sum of 2 digits, 0 plus 4 is 4. Now the 3 digits, 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. अब 0 के तीनों combination हो गए 1, 2, 3. Cross the 0, move to the next digit, that is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. This is my answer, 4995. So you can try it. Let me take another example, 63 into 111. So again, to make it a 3 digit number, I am just adding a 0 in the starting. So let's do, take 0 here, 3 here, and in between we are having 3 digits. 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. अब 0 के तीनों combination हो गए, so 1 वाला भी हो गया, 2 वाला भी हो गया, 3 वाला भी हो गया. Now cross this 0 and move to the next digit. So it is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is my answer, 6993. Okay, hope you are understanding it or liking it. Now let's try with another method, another number. So I'm taking 78. Again, to make it 3-digit number, add a 0. So now 0, 8. Now here we are having the carries also. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 7 plus 8 is 15. And now zeros के कॉम्बिनेशन खत्म हो गए. जब हम 0 को कैंसिल कर देंगे और 7 पे मूव कर देंगे. 7 and 8, 15. Now let's add it. 8, 15 में से 5 रखना है आपको, 1 को फॉरवर्ड मूव कर देना है. तो 15 plus 1, 16. Keep 6 as it is, move 1 forward. 7 plus 1, 8. So this will be my answer. Let's take maximum number, which is 99. 2-digit number. So to make it 3, I am just adding a 0 here. So keep 0 as it is, 9 as it is. Now 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9 plus 9, 18. And now cross this 0 because तीनों combination हो गए इसके. Now move to this 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So just add it. 9, keep 8, move 1 here, 18, 9. And then 1 move here, 10. So this will be my answer. Okay, hope you are liking it and just try it. Firstly, we have done how to multiply 2-digit number with 11. Then we have studied how to multiply 3-digit number with 11. Then we have, in this video, we have done how to multiply 3-digit number with 111 and how to multiply 2-digit number with 111. Okay, so just try and just improve your speeds, and in the next video we will do how to multiply 4 or 5-digit number with 1111. Thank you and have a nice day.